Hello everyone, welcome back to Bailey's Monster Trucks, and today I'm back for another review, but not of a Monster Jam truck, but of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, which I guess is like Hot Wheels' new, new brand, or new line of trucks. I'm guessing they're making these because of Monster Jam leaving Hot Wheels, so I'm guessing they're trying to like make something to still get collectors and to be, interested in their products. Because there's some people that don't collect regular Hot Wheels, so they feel like, I'm guessing they just want to still make monster trucks, so they can try to see if they can still get some collectors to, start collecting again. Because I'm sure they get a lot of money from monster collectors, so I guess they just aren't ready to end the monster truck series, even after Monster Jam leaves. I was actually gonna, I know it's been a while since I've been on this channel, because I was thinking of ending the channel, and I decided to come back, not just because of this truck, but like, just in general, I wanted to come back, but, I think my channel will end, after this year, maybe, so this series might change that, but, yeah, so my original plan was in the channel, this year, at the end of this year, but this toy line looks pretty promising to me. So we have the box here, which looks nice. It's just very similar to your classic monster truck box. The card's a little different right there. Obviously, you don't have the little thing, but still, it's obviously very similar, except this, that's a bit different. There's not much of a thing right there. Now, I already actually opened this because I recorded this already, but there were some problems with the camera, so I had to delete that footage. So I've already opened the truck, but, so sadly the box is kind of already open, because I opened already. But here's the back, before we get into opening it. You see, I have not collected any of these trucks yet, but I do plan on it sometime in the future, which some of them look really nice, I gotta say. I like that's pretty cool. You got some shark ones, and just a bunch of stuff. There's some stats about the truck, which I think is pretty cool. So it's not Monster Jam, but it looks promising. Now, to actually open it, now we can just get a good look at all the stuff on it. The paint job is obviously really nice because, it's Hot Wheels, and Hot Wheels is really good at paint. Maybe not as much in the older years, like in the early 2000 series. Like the early years, the paint jobs weren't always the greatest. They were good, but like, I think Hot Wheels now does a phenomenal job at the paint. Like, it just looks so sleek, and I like the gloss paint they use. Very nice. Now, the truck itself, it's kind of just your standard, like, it kind of seems like just a standard Hot Wheel. It's just like, it's not really that, like, unique, really. It doesn't stand out too much. It has the Hot Wheels logo. It does have a good color scheme to it. I like the white, white things, the white rims, the blue roll cage, but I'm actually colorblind, so that could be purple. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's blue. Slightly colorblind, not completely, but I sometimes mix up blue and purple, so there's that. But yeah, overall it looks very nice. Now, the thing I really wanted to do was compare two trucks. So I decided to get two trucks that are similar. I decided that, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that Carolina Crusher and this truck are, if they're not the same, they're very similar at least. Yeah, I can already tell one of them is taller, but that's because of the wheels. So that's something to note, first of all, that it seems that these ones are taller than the rest of them. So, like, they're changing up the design. Making bigger wheels. I actually don't personally like the bigger wheels. I will be honest there. In fact, I'm not even a big fan of these wheels. I know, like, it seems weird because I collect these wheels. Like, I have tons of trucks with these exact wheels. But I actually prefer the older style. I don't really have a truck on me right now. Actually, wait. Here's the closest one I could find. The Yu-Gi-Oh! Truck. Which actually has been through a lot. It has a lot of paint chips because I had this when I was a little kid and I wasn't, you know. And also, you know, it went through a lot. But yeah, the wheels I think are a lot better than. So I think the wheels in this truck I don't like because I don't care for like the big wheels. I think this is probably the best one, like the small wheels. I think that's actually more accurate to an actual monster truck. If you look at a picture of a monster truck, like I don't have anyone on me, but they're very like you know, they don't really look like they don't really look like that or that. They look more like that. So I definitely don't really care too much for the big wheels, which I didn't know that's like part of the advertisement actually. Right here it says giant wheels. So I mean, I guess that's probably cool for some people, just not really my thing. It's a nice truck though, for sure. It's even like with the wheels, which the wheels don't bother me that much. One noticeable change other than that is the inside of the rims. You have that. It's not focusing, but yeah, there it is, kind of. See, the inside of the rim is a lot different than this one, as you can tell. One thing is that these actually have like a kind of writing on there. It's hard to see what the writing says. It says, oh, it just says Hot Wheels, and these ones also actually say Hot Wheels, but they say Hot Wheels and BKT. And these ones say Hot Wheels, but like in a different way. It's a lot longer of the logo. But it is a nice truck. You know, the body of the truck, they seem pretty similar for the most part. If you don't compare like the height, which that's not the body that makes it higher. It's just like the tires, so it seems like a different body, but it's not really. It just, I'm pretty sure these are the same thing. Yeah, maybe some minor differences. Yeah, there might be, but no, actually, no, they're pretty much the same. Yeah, I would say it's a nice truck. So I'm definitely looking forward to Hot Wheels' new series because, you know, I think it looks nice. It's sad they're not going to be using any more Monster Jam names, but like I guess you just have to hope for like whatever you have to be happy with whatever you get, and this is really what you get sometimes. Like it's not Monster Jam licensed, but I think this one's really good. I did decide to get this one first, but just because mainly the tire, which I was kind of curious about, like what that was all about, which is just like a little thing. But I don't know if I don't think they really had any other ones. I just kind of picked up this one. But yeah, the other designs, like, I mean, this one I think is nice, like, don't get me wrong, but I think these other ones are looking really good. So I'm definitely looking forward to buying these in the future. Specifically, like, this one looks nice. And the shark one, you know, which, you know, there's a lot of shark monster trucks, but still. Like, there's a lot of shark Hot Wheel monster trucks. And the dairy delivery looks really nice. So, those ones are what I'm looking forward to. Alright, this is Daily's Monster Trucks signing out. And I'll be back with a review of this truck next time.